Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Overwatch 2 game on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after logging into your account, you will be taken into the store page. From here, just click on the search box and now just type in Overwatch 2 to begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Play Game button or the Add to Library button, which will then add the game to your library. Then you can click on the Play option to begin the installation. Just choose your install location and click on Install. And now this will begin the download and installation. Just wait until the process is completed. And once it is done, you can start enjoying the Overwatch 2 game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Overwatch 2 game on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.